Hey everyone, Aaron from Ariens IKON here, and today I'm going to show you how to start the engine on your Ariens IKON XD zero-turn mower. Before we begin, let's review the content in the Start Your Engine and the safety sections of your operator's manual to familiarize yourself with your unit. Like all Ariens zero-turn mowers, this model is equipped with a safety interlock system. What this means is that your mower will not start unless you have the parking brake engaged and have the PTO switch in the off or the down position. If your engine hasn't been running in a while and is cold, you'll need to pull the choke plunger knob up. If your engine had been running recently and is still warm, you can leave the choke in the down position. Let's use the scenario that the engine is cold, so we'll pull the choke knob up. In any case, now we'll move the throttle lever forward just a little bit. Just like in a car, turn the key to the start position and release it once the engine starts. If the engine doesn't start, slowly adjust the choke knob while making another starting attempt. Once the engine starts, push the choke knob down and move the throttle lever all the way forward. Let's see that one more time. Now, let's stop the engine. Move the throttle lever all the way down into the idle position and wait 1 or 2 seconds. Then, turn the engine key to the off position and remove the key from the ignition. Now, if you experience any difficulty starting your mower, reach out to your nearest Ariens dealer. An Ariens dealer near you can be found by going to ariens.com/dealers. If you like this video and want to see more helpful content from Ariens, click on the Ariens logo in the lower right corner of the video to subscribe to our YouTube channel.